So today we're talking about the design of this build and what the game plan is. I really wanted to take some time and just get it in my head before just tearing it apart, because, you know, it is a running, driving car that needs everything. But because of what it is, it's a 72 Corvette convertible, factory 454 4-speed, but it has a wide body kit from the 70s with a purple paint job and velvet dash and shag carpet. So I kind of want to blend the eras. When I originally saw this Corvette when I was a kid, it was a late 60s blue. I can't remember if it was Le Mans blue. I have it saved in my phone, but it's from a late 60s Corvette, the blue color. Being it's a 72, you know, we also got the bell-bottom era of shag carpet and thick mustaches to go with it. So I kind of want to blend the eras into modern as well. How do we do that? Well, I'm thinking we'll go back to the original blue, but we got to make it pop to represent the 70s theme as well. So maybe there's going to be some metallic in it. I have the color picked out, which brings me to the interior. It was blue with a black roof, black interior. That's pretty blah, pretty boring. This is one exciting car to drive. When you drive this car down the highway, you're going to have Ferraris and Lamborghinis trying to catch up to you to figure out what the hell it is from behind. So we got to make it go, hell yeah, what is this thing? But still do a nice throwback to the original Corvette. And then we got to address under the hood. I have some transmission issues, more clutch issues, and this transmission is a nightmare to get out. So because the engine is just a stock early 70s, you know, mid 70s, it's probably 270 horse, I think it is. It's not very exciting. A 5-liter Mustang with a couple of mods will pull up next to you and you have a problem on your hands. So I have the parts to make this thing in the, you know, 550 to 600 horse range. I have all the heads, the cam, the gear drive. So I think what we need to do is build a short block for it, pull this motor out so I can address the clutch issue, and then do all of the body work, but not paint it until I get that motor in. I'm not sure what this front end is going to be like to get off. I don't even think it will come off, because it's probably all part of the car now. So I think I want to do all of the body work up until the primer stage, then get the motor back in it, and then we'll paint it after, and then we can assemble interior. But wheels and tires will be getting changed, and I'm really pushing hard so I can get the suspension kit so that we can modernize the suspension, modernize the brakes, have the old school big block that's ridiculously obnoxious with side pipes, a much better color, but really is going to pop at the right time of day. And then we got to make this interior spectacular, because this is not a cheap build. Every little emblem is so overpriced for this car, it's crazy. So I got to get it right the first time. We're not doing things 2 and 3 times over on this car like we've done on other projects. One time only. And then a wiring harness for this car, because it's Corvette. Probably about $2,000 US. I haven't looked it up, but it is what it is. So there, I'm just throwing the ideas. I'm open to what you guys got to say, because this is my first Corvette. Never worked on a Corvette, never restored a Corvette. This is the only one I've ever owned, and we're going for it. So what do you guys think? I'm open to ideas. A lot of you Corvette guys out there, you know, I appreciate and respect your opinions. Anything that's going to save me, you know, stress, time, and energy, by all means. Part suppliers that you recommend, don't recommend, by all means, please leave a comment, because I could burn up a lot of money going the wrong direction in this car.